Welcome to Tech Training 101, Large Format Printer. My name is Amanda Bold-Chafin. I work at the Lane Community Technology Center in downtown Hamilton, Ohio. Today, you'll learn how to use the Epson Large Format Printer to make a custom banner. Here at the Tech Center, we offer patrons the ability to print large posters and two sizes of large banners. We also offer a small library of customizable preset banners featuring common themes like congratulations, retirement, birthdays, graduations, and birth announcements. Once printed, you are able to cut the banner down to your desired size using tools in our makerspace. Then you can finish the project with grommets. Our makerspace is available to patrons who are actively working on a project. That might mean using one of our computers to perfect your design in Adobe Illustrator. It might mean physically cutting your design with our rotary cutter and cutting mat. It might mean using your grommet press to add grommets to your finished banner. To ensure time to clean and maintain the space, all workrooms close 30 minutes before we lock the doors each night, so please plan your time accordingly. We do not allow patrons to begin new projects after the 30-minute mark. If you are entirely new to using the large format printer, the best way to start is with a one-on-one appointment. If you live near Hamilton, Ohio and would like to reserve an appointment, give us a call at 513-785-2727. Our business hours are 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Mondays through Thursdays, and 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Fridays and Saturdays. We're closed on Sundays. When you call, one of our friendly staff members will help you find a block of time and then walk you through the process. Most appointments include up to an hour of assistance as well as additional time for you to work independently. You may need help at certain steps along the way, like designing, cutting, or adding grommets. Staff will do the actual printing on a first-come, first-served basis. It is important to remember that staff are there to teach. They're there to guide and assist, but they're not professional graphic designers or industrial machine operators. Ultimately, this is your project, so you'll be the one in control. People who are new to the large format printer should start with a very simple project so that they can learn the basics before attempting anything too advanced. Currently, the Tech Center offers two types of materials, banners and posters. Banners are made of a thick, sturdy vinyl with a glossy backing. They can be used indoors or outdoors, and they come in lengths of either 34 inches or 50 inches. They cost $2 or $4, respectively, per linear foot. Posters are made of a thin, delicate paper and are intended for indoor use. We only have one size of poster paper in stock, 50 inches. Posters cost $4 per linear foot. Please be aware that the printer automatically includes the entire length of the material plus a print margin of several inches. The sheet length, total print area, and margin are all included in the cost. Patrons can submit designs to the Tech Center through email at techcenter@lanepl.org or by bringing a flash drive to the Tech Center. Your design must be fully print ready, meaning that the project should be properly sized for printing. It should use a CMYK color profile instead of an RGB color profile to ensure that all of the colors print correctly. And if you're using the grommet press, you should include marks for accurate grommet placement. PDF is the preferred file type, although EPS is acceptable in some cases. If your design does not meet these requirements, we may be unable to complete your request, or you may find yourself unhappy with your results. I would like to make a graduation banner for a family member. You can design your own banner from scratch, but I'm going to start by downloading one of the Adobe Illustrator templates provided by the Lane Tech Center. Patrons can use Adobe Illustrator for free in our audiovisual lab, and staff can download our templates for you. Open Adobe Illustrator, then click Open and navigate to the file you want. You might see an error message indicating that font replacements are necessary. If that happens, it means you don't have the correct font installed on your computer. In that case, close Adobe Illustrator without saving. Install any necessary fonts, and then reopen Adobe Illustrator. At the Tech Center, you may require staff assistance or permission to install a font. If you're enjoying this video and you want more like it, don't forget to like and subscribe or even leave a comment. We try to answer all questions in a timely manner. You can also give us a shout out on Facebook It really helps to spread the word about all the cool resources and services we offer. Many free fonts are available at dafont.com or similar online resources. If you do not have access to a particular font, you may need to choose a different font as a replacement. If you scroll through the template, you can see that different sizes are visible on different artboards. For my project, I think I like this 2x6 foot length, but I like the design better for the 2x4 design. So what do? Click on the selection tool, then click on any elements inside the 2x6 banner that you don't want to keep, and press the delete key. If anything is in a group, select it and click Object and then Ungroup. Leave some of these little gold ornaments and embellishments to help you fill out the space. Now, click and drag to select everything inside the 2x4 banner. Drag the items over to the 2x6 banner. With the items still selected, hold down the Shift key and drag a corner node to scale the items up or down without stretching or squishing the design. Click Object and then Group. Under Properties, locate the Align menu. Choose Align to Artboard and then click the horizontal Align Center icon. Now, click your item and select Object and then Ungroup. Rearrange objects as desired. You can also select objects and press Ctrl or Command and C to copy and Ctrl or Command and V to paste, and then resize and arrange additional objects as desired. To rotate an object, select it and hover your cursor near a corner until you see a rounded arrow. Click and drag to rotate. To customize the name field, double-click the placeholder and type the correct name. It's a good idea to print a visible cut line to guide you when using hand tools to cut. Click the Rectangle tool. Click and drag on your design to make a rectangle that covers the entire banner. The rectangle should snap into the corners of the artboard. Under Stroke, click the semi-hollow square and then select any color that you think will stand out. Next to Stroke, choose a line weight that will be thick enough to follow. I prefer a 10-point line weight. Under Fill, click the Strike Through symbol. If you know where you want to add grommets, click the Text tool and add very small X marks to the proper locations. Make sure they are no larger than 0.3 inches in any direction. Select both X marks and, under Align, choose Align to Selection and click the vertical Align Center icon. With your marks selected, click Object and then Group. Click Align to Artboard and then Horizontal Align Center. Now your grommet marks should be straight. To prevent tearing, make sure the grommet marks are at least half an inch away from any edges. To prepare a project for printing, click the Artboard icon. Then click on the other artboards and press Delete. Click the Selection tool, select the other art, and press Delete. Click Layers and press the Lock to unlock Layer 1. Delete the sizing notes. Click File and then Document Color Mode and make sure that CMYK is selected. Print media most often requires a cyan, magenta, yellow, and black or key color scheme, while digital media often makes use of a red, green, blue or RGB color scheme. If you use a digital color scheme for physical media, you might find that the colors don't come out the way you'd hoped. That's why it's important to select the CMYK color scheme. Click File and then Save As. Rename your file. Choose the file type PDF. Click Save. A pop-up menu will appear. Click Save PDF. Close Adobe Illustrator. At this point, it is time to either email your file to techcenter@lanepl.org or bring the file to the Tech Center on a flash drive. The Tech Center processes prints on a first-come, first-served basis. Staff will contact you when your print is complete. Please bring the necessary funds with you when you pick up your design. Optional finishing touches can be undertaken at the Tech Center. Make an appointment to use our self-healing mats and rotary cutters to manually cut your design, or use our grommet press to press grommets into your design. Then hang your banner and enjoy. If you're located near Cincinnati or Hamilton, Ohio, and you'd like to learn more about how to design, print, cut, and add grommets to a project of your own, or you'd like to attend any of our in-person tech classes, Give us a call at 513-785-2727 or email us at techcenter@lanepl.org. For hours and location information, check out our website at lanepl.org.